Guys, today we are gonna make these sriracha chicken thighs. They are gonna be crispy on the outside. They have a spicy coating. I cannot wait for you to see how this recipe is made. In this bag, I have some skin-on chicken thighs. I've had these marinating in my fridge for about 20 minutes. What I put in here though is lime juice, sriracha, some grated garlic, ginger, salt, and a little bit of honey. And together they've been marinating our chicken. So it's a super simple recipe. It only takes 20 minutes in the fridge to marinate. So that lets you go on with prepping other things that might be in your meal prep sheet. This is a meal plan favorite recipe because it's super adaptable. So even if you have kids who don't like spicy chicken, after you cook these chicken thighs, you can remove the skin on of the thighs and it has a lot of flavor, but it won't be as spicy at all. Now, of course, you can adjust the level of spiciness by just simply adding more sriracha to your marinade. I'm placing these on my baking sheet because the oven is going to bake these while I make some rice and make a salad to serve this for dinner. What's so great about simple recipes like these, like the ones in the meal plans, is that it allows me to not have to be a slave to the kitchen every single day during the week. And in case you're wondering, I'm just rubbing a little extra spicy on a couple of these because you and I get to eat these today together. So this is gonna be the perfect lunch for me today here. This is a kind of marinade that you are going to discard, so you are not gonna be using the juices at all. Now I've got my oven preheating to 375, which is a great temperature to cook skin-on, bone-on chicken. And if your chicken thighs are skinless and boneless, it's gonna take a little less time just because there's less meat to cook through. But of course, you should always cook your chicken according to internal temperature, which this being dark meat is 175 Fahrenheit. So let's get these in the oven. While the chicken thighs are in the oven, I'm going to cook some rice today. I have some jasmine white rice that's gonna go in my pot. Now, some days I also use my rice cooker to make my rice, so I can set that in the morning. My rice cooker has a timer. I also have a video for how to get great rice in a rice cooker and in the stovetop on this channel. So if your rice is really sticky or you just can't figure out how to use the lines on your rice cooker, make sure you check that video out. I'll link them right below, so at your leisure, you can make awesome rice every single time. So this one's gonna hang out while our chicken's cooking, and let's get back. Guys, this chicken, the skin is crispy on the top. It smells so good. Let's plate it and check it out. Our rice is ready, so I'm just going to plate some rice. I do like to cut my chicken over the rice, so when the juices go, the rice absorbs it. So, so good. Guys, right on point. Just enough spicy under the skin to feel it tastes really great, really well seasoned, juicy. Super good. Make sure to grab the recipe below this video and a printout of a sample weekly meal plan that you can use at home to make meals so much simpler every single week. See you next time.